So in the final subtask of the number guessing game using Java, we will simply be adding a loop so that users can keep guessing until they get the right answer. So it is pretty simple. We will simply be adding a while true loop in the run guess function. So while true basically makes sure there's an infinite loop, and it is as similar to the previous function. We will be calling the function to get a random number and to take user input. And here we have defined the case if hint equals right, we're going to print out you guessed it right, and we're going to exit the program, because if we do not exit the program, the program won't end. That is, the user will just keep guessing even though they're right. And else if the user is wrong, then we're going to print out hint, and then we're going to close the scanner, and we'll be going through this loop infinitely until we guess the number. That is, only when you guess the number you can break out of this loop. So let's just run this code once. So let me guess the number as 40. So it's hot. Let me give something closer. So as you can see, our number was 50, and previously when we guessed it plus or minus 10, we got hot. But as soon as we went 35, which is more than less than 10 or 50, we got cold. And finally, when we guessed it right, we got you guessed it right. Let's just submit this code once. So yeah, we passed all 6 test cases. So this is it for the number guessing game using Java. So this particular project was from our course Java Projects for Beginners, where we have 11 different Java projects from which beginners can get familiar with Java. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef, try out this particular project or any other course which might interest you. And if you're already watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next problem. Thank you.